You searched how to buy shares of Aqua Metals Inc., ticker AQMS, which is listed on Nasdaq. Aqua Metals develops industrial metal recycling technology. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy AQMS, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before trading. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker AQMS to find the listing. Select the entry that matches Aqua Metals Inc. on Nasdaq to open the stock page. On the asset page, review the company summary, the Nasdaq listing, and the price chart for context. Confirm the name matches Aqua Metals Inc. and the ticker AQMS before continuing. To invest, click Trade or Buy. Enter the amount you wish to invest, review the order details, and submit the order for execution. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until it reopens. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once processed, your new AQMS position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description. This video is an educational guide only.